This is the gravesite of Enrico M. Bruno, private, United States Army Air Force World War II veteran, born August 24th, 1921. He died December 2nd, 2010. He lies in rest with his wife Julia Bruno, April 16th, 1924, November 24th, 2013. The inscription reads, "Forever in our hearts." As mentioned, Enrico M. Bruno was a World War II veteran. Julia Bruno was a Rosie the Riveter, in fact, a welder in Bayonne, New Jersey, during World War II. This video was made for Julia Bruno, the daughter of Enrico Bruno and Julia Bruno, and for Sandra Del Sati. I'm Bill Russo, and we are at Resurrection Cemetery in Staten Island in the Veterans section. And this is the Veterans Memorial. God bless them all.